Global salmon prices are slipping, but demand is exploding. What's really going on in the industry this March of 2025? March 2025 Salmon Market Update. Norwegian salmon prices are down this month. Why? Because harvest volumes are finally rising after months of tight supply. But here's the twist: despite lower prices, global demand is holding strong. In the US, frozen Atlantic salmon fillets are flying off shelves. Norway exported nearly 88,000 tons of salmon last June, breaking records in value, but down 11% in volume year over year. Chile's salmon exports? Still holding firm despite weaker markets, proving that Latin America's got staying power. And let's not forget, land-based salmon farming is booming, with over $2 billion in investment pouring in. So what's the play for 2025? Keep your eyes on shifting production methods, price dips, and high-demand zones like the US and Asia. Like and subscribe for more seafood intelligence, because the market's evolving, and we're tracking every wave.